You're wanting to make a video, a little bit nervous, scared. You don't know what you're going to say on camera. You're not sure about scripting or how you want to say what you want to say. Oh, I've been there. Everybody has. One thing that I've learned is go ahead and say what you want to say. Go ahead and take as long as you want. If you have 15 minutes of video footage and you sit there going, I don't know, you don't look at the camera, you look away, that's fine. As long as you're getting practice in. You can watch this video footage back and then either edit it out or shoot some more footage. You might be talking or you might be saying something and it comes out wrong. Edit that out. You know, I could have edited that last little bit out, but I wanted to show you that you can pause, you can take a moment, you can say what you want to say. Now, if you keep putting it off, you're going to end up putting off making a video. You'll have every single excuse not to do it. Well, this year I wanted to set a higher goal, and that is I was going to make a new, this year I wanted to set a real goal. This year I wanted to set a real goal, and that was to make a YouTube channel and start making YouTube videos. Unfortunately, my very first video I had to delete it because I had a copyright issue with some music, a learning curve, and I did not want to start out with a strike on my channel. So it took me all the way till I think February to get my real first video on that counted. I can give you a little bit of footage of what I did have, but it was a start. But I'll tell you, making these videos, it gets easier with time. Sometimes it's a little rougher than others. I've learned that I have to start making a video early in the morning, not after a long day of working. I do write down a lot of notes, a lot of ideas. I do some research. I've bought a SanDisk to store photos on because making videos does require a lot of terabytes. As far as equipment goes, you can just do it on a phone. Like right now my phone is recording. My camera doesn't sound that good when I sound. My camera does not take sound very well, but the pictures it does really good. But my phone also does that good. So if you have a cell phone, you can do the whole thing just with that. It's just I have this Nikon Z30 camera and I feel compelled to use it whenever possible because it was a little bit more money than what my budget could afford at the moment. So you want to document great things that have happened in your life, or not so great of things. Just going out for coffee. Now when you pull out a camera and you're taking pictures of a birthday party or a graduation, it's doing something special, and you look back years later, well that's pretty much what making videos is for. And you want to have some type of a record so as that your future self will have something to look back at. Especially with this day and age when you can actually just take pictures and then comb over them or swipe over them and they actually turn into a little mini movie. You might as well just start today. I wish I had started 5 years ago on making YouTube videos. As far as beginning and how to get started, if that's something that you're wondering about, I have a DJI mini mic. It was the best money I've spent. I bought 2 other mics before this one, and spend that little bit extra for your audio. It makes a big difference. I have a Galaxy S23 FE, and right now it's recording my voice. And this is the DJI mic mini. and that's the little receiver I plug into the bottom of my phone, and I'm good to go. I have record setting, and I will upload it to my editing software that I use, and just start making videos. I have the house to myself. The neighbors have gone to work, and it's nice and peaceful and not too hot out today. So today was a perfect day to come out and try and persuade you into making your first video. If you've already made your first video and you've posted it, drop a comment down below. I'd love to hear about it. Or if you have some questions about starting, I don't have any lighting out here. I'm just using the natural light. Starting making YouTube videos. I'm not famous. I'm not well known. I'm not any of those things. All these other YouTubers that are really big, that have hundreds of thousands of videos and teams working with them and professionals and everything like that, that's great. But they had to start out at the beginning. So don't think you need a whole lot of gear. Please hit like and subscribe if this has been informative for you. And hey, I wish you all the best. Bye.